radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of the radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. This is a test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast. The barometric pressure was 30.
I had a feeling you were going to activate on the second one. I'll take it anyways.
Test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast.
Okay, so they activated for the third time. Well then, I'll take it again.